4. AAME. PAQC. ATOS. PAQC. AMSC. GNK. Gas. VINC. APTO. GOL. OSAT, Vero. Wish. OSAT, OSAT3,
Good morning. OSAT.
Morning, what's cooking?
OSAT breaking out from $7 up to $8 just now on a 5-minute.
Wish.
Looking sweet.
OSAT?
AUMN, AKTRA, Wish, KTRA, KTRA, AROC.
Okay. MRIN.
GNLN, KTRA, KTRA, Wish. KTRA, KTRA, CRMT.
Gapping up. Penny pusher.
KTRA,
OSAT looking real froggy.
KTRA.
Watch.
HUYA. VARC. KTRA, OSAT,
OSAT going strong up to 845.
HUYA.
Price action is
KTRA.
really good.
KTRA, NKTR,
Strong buying,
NDP.
a lot of green coming in.
OSAT,
YTRA,
ACND.
Looking good. Low float, super micro low float. OSAT. Employee, communication services. Do you think it's going to last? One employee.
One employee?
One. OSAT up to 887, still moving.
ACRX.
Microcap. Dangerous.
LAIX.
OSAT.
OSAT comes.
OSAT, hot.
Work.
BOWX.
OSAT moved $2 in literally
MGIC.
10 minutes.
OWL.
OSAT, I wouldn't short it.
I tried to get in. I didn't get in just now. At 884, I was still trying to get in. Lost. I was gone.
AC.
I'm gonna wait for the dip. It's gonna dip here. Gotta dip.
UYXI.
Yeah, you're coming to the value at 9:11. It's 9:11 a.m. and there might be some people backing off.
MVO. FSR.
Like an algo.
Huh?
It was squeezing volume in the algo. 100,000
Blend.
in the 30-second chart. It's reversing here. It's got a top
Blend.
reversal here. BLIN, another one, hot one.
I'm waiting for the bell on it a little bit.
EXA.
BLIN.
ALUS. CABA. CHGSA. Blend.
1350 to 14. 1414 right now. BLIN. It's been trending.
AQB.
BLIN on the daily. It's on a breakout.
4. CGBD.
And it's getting a lot of more volume today.
VARC.
In the pre-market even.
CTEK.
So we definitely had a gap up all the way. Let me see from. We had a gap up from $9 and we have $14 right now from the pre-market.
FEMY.
Yesterday also from the close at $8, all the way up to $10 yesterday, Friday on BLIN. BLIN is gapping up and got a great trend going along. The float is about 6 mil, so that's a micro float. And also, this is in mass, it's 55 employees, software and programming. Continuation from last week, BLIN.
TWNK FLNT ALPP SBEV
Playing games here is about to blow through the roof, and I didn't get in yet.
Okay, OSAT, LSAT, about to
CAPR
go again. OSAT.
JAGX
OSAT looking real froggy for the long side. Lots of buying. It's got a little wall up here at 9. It's a hidden seller. It's a lot of shares going through here at 9.10, $9, and then now 9.20 here on the matrix. The price matrix is showing some walls. Somebody's releasing shares at 9. We got a gap up from yesterday's swing at 5.55. We up at $9 from yesterday, from Friday's swing. What's today? Monday. No, today is
Ford
Tuesday. What is today? I don't even know what today is. Today is Tuesday the 6th.
TES
July
CEIX
6th, 2021, Tuesday.
Oust
Happy 4th. Happy belated 4th of July.
BPMP BPTS ELTK
Looking good, looking good.
Blin
Okay, stalling out up here.
Oust
But definitely going
CREG
into 9.15 right now on OSAT.
BTCM2
It's
Hold up, they
holding.
might come back.
So somebody's whatever's being sold is being definitely brought at this price at
ACST
$9 on OSAT.
GP
And this should get froggy at the bell. This should get real interesting at the bell.
RMTI
What do you know
Ford
about BSQR?
BOXL
BSQR should be slow action. Last time I looked at that popped up and it got rejected
Job.
at 620. We're down back at 525. I would look at that
KNSA.
for a test of 580, 560, or
Hiya.
maybe a test of 6, and then I would look for a reversal back down to 520. But it needs to pop though. Right now it's in a downward trend.
BTVT Quake
580, 560, 540, and we're at 526 right now on BSQR. Looking like a short back to the 200, maybe to 480, but the range is limited now because it's coming back down near the 200, which is at 459. So the range is
YJ.
limited, but it is looking like it's out of gas, and it popped up, sold off, popped up, sold off on the 30 minutes, the 30-second chart, and it's on a downtrend from $8 from the previous week. Right now on the
BOXL AVEO BSGM
If you were short, you would have to be short in the pre-market. Right now, it had the 5-minute reversal strong in the pre-market at 620, $6 as an entry. You would have been taking profit
BTRS.
measures at 560 or 540, and right now you would have been out of this trade because it just broke the VWAP.
BOXL
Or with limited size on the trade, waiting for the bell for a pop for a re-entry possible, or a quick, a definite fade on BSQR
Satch
at the bell. That's for a short setup right now. It doesn't look long right now. Could be wrong. Float's only 12 mil. PSQR Kill Corporation under the 52-week high. Software and programming. Software and programming is hot. This is in Seattle, Washington. The company's got 70 employees. Software and programming technology stock. So technology is hot. That sector's been heating up for the last few weeks. So that makes it kind of dangerous as well.
Satch
OSAT holding, OSAT holding, MRIN, continuation, gapping up almost every day since I called it about a week and a half ago.
OSAT is struggling up there, but it's holding its own.
OSAT is holding the 9. A 9 is the key entry. On low volume. On high volume, actually.
917. That's a high volume and a low float.
All right, BLIN is also in pole position for 14 after that 1410 top in the
Rear.
pre-market.
Job.
It's holding.
SUPLRO.
BLIN is identical just about to MRIN as far as the float is low, 6 mil. Bridgeline Digital is software and programming technology stock, 55 employees in Massachusetts. So BLIN has another daily continuation. MRIN and BLIN are
GBOX.
on daily breakout, and they're continuing to get a lot of interest and volume that they're showing right now. It looks like they're going to trend higher in the next coming week.
BHTCRN.
Party could start.
NMRD.
Okay, it is 9:18 a.m. here on a Tuesday, July 6, 2021.
FST Pets.
Welcome to the Matrix. Anybody see anything? Yell it out.
AVEO.
SQBG, just to mention, is still active. Low float, micro. Trading around 16 to 18 in the pre-market. Also went from 14 to 22 in the pre-market. SQBG. Dangerous from the other day. Went from $10 to $24. Micro float stock trading wildly.
XL.
And
TRVG.
there's still a lot of interest. Also looking identical. Daily breakout from under $10 over 25.
OSG.
SQBG, Sequential Brands Group. Still froggy. High risk. Price action is wide. $18 current price.
TRNSTB. Icon.
Okay, CUEN, also gapping up, holding its position. Low volume, but
CLRO.
catching a daily bid. It woke up and
CKIN.
$2 up to $9, but it reversed.
Rear.
Right now at
NRXP.
$7.30 on CUEN, and you can stalk it and maybe
BBGI, SQZ,
you
FWTSL.
might run up, or you could probably catch a short. It's computer services, which is technology, only has one employee in Miami.
KUKE.
Trying to roll OSAT for the bell.
GLMD.
OSAT rolling. OSAT rolling on the 9. Hitting
Go.
Told you it was a lot of supply right there. We have a red flag out on a 5-minute reversal coming up. The reversal is heavy at 850 right now with just under 10 cents. 890.
GNK.
OSAT.
10 minutes left to go. They pulling back on
Mind.
People getting ready for the bell in 9 minutes. Honorable mention, NVIDIA and MasterCard gaps up. NVIDIA and MasterCard gappers.
NLST, PBI.
So, sorry, not MasterCard, MicroStrategy, 7 mil float. MicroStrategy, software and programming technology company in Tyson's Corner, Virginia.
NLST.
2,000 employees. This is an American company. Talk about
STGWP.
American. Gapped up from under 640 at 649 right now.
NBWrap, SYPR.
OSAT back down to in the 850s, about to challenge the V.
OSAT hit 850, 860. OSAT definitely in a 5-minute reversal heavy. There's a bidder at 850, 14,000.
PRQR.
Reversal in effect on the 15. On OSAT.
ZIVO.
This price action is expected coming near the bell.
C's.
Still long bias.
8 minutes on it.
BNED, POLA. CCV.
This is the Musclehead trading pre-market watch lists and scans and call out of Squawk. We're calling out a few tickers that are hot across mid caps, small caps, and large caps. Looking for opportunities.
LHDX,
scanning for
SNES,
trades.
NRXP.
NVIDIA continuing higher on the daily range. NVIDIA broke out from the 550 ranges, now up at $830.
Cars.
Excuse me. Option calls frenzy last week.
OSS.
NVIDIA going higher.
Pola.
Price targets.
ACST.
California, Santa Clara,
10.
California, 18,000
DXYN.
employees, computer hardware, NVIDIA,
KDMN.
processing units, manufacturing in China, and they got a
GBS.
buy rating, overweight rating for NVIDIA to go up, 16% upside. Reiterates a couple of recommendations for price targets going higher. Some of
SMMT.
them are as high as 950.
CBAY.
NVIDIA price call going long. NVIDIA been bouncing since May.
NRXP.
Also March at $500, and now we're above 800. NVIDIA hot. That ticker symbol is NVDA. NVDA, long-term hold perspective on NVIDIA. Long-term hold
IMGN.
perspective. NVDA, long-term hold wealth gainer.
LFTR. MDGS. ALF.
Roku up, Amazon up, Tesla.
DX. Adil.
Adil was on our watch list. ADIL.
AUMN. Ford. ATI. ALF.
Adil on the previous watch list, hitting the scans in the pre-market. A flurry of volume coming in.
Poly. CIOP. Adil.
ALF. Now for the bell. Not much volume coming in right now. Most of the volume came in at a 7 and an 8.
ALF.
LRMI. 14. Supply coming out at 14 a lot. And 1390 on BLIN. Supply meaning sellers.
JAGX.
MRIN holding is 27 position. Not many sellers.
Countdown.
SRT.
Excuse me?
VARC.
We have an echo.
OSG. Ford. ALF. Camp.
ALF. Previous runner. ALF. Previous watch scanner. ALF.
HEPA. ACST. ALF. TPGY.
ALF waking up.
ALF.
4 minutes on GSAT.
ALF. CGEN.
They still kind of hold it a little bit
GTSS.
higher.
Root.
You said GSAT.
Not GSAT, OSAT.
GY.
Get it together.
OSAT.
VXRT.
They
Ow.
may flush it
Yeah.
down.
CLXT.
They may flush it down to 8
ORTXWK.
and then reset it and then launch again.
Look like we have continuation from last week. Still software.
NKLINFI.
Gapping.
Check. CCHWESX.
Tesla up, Facebook up,
Ovid.
Google's up,
ICE.
Shopify's up, AMD's up, BYND at 150, Apple up, ANET up, NVIDIA up,
SVC. BHTG.
Amazon up,
Cato. MTC. Able. Fury. VACQ. HMLP. GLMD. BTCM. SNES. OSW. GRFS. ACI. FOW. SNES. FCINR.
NKLA,
NXTC. Go VGR NLSP Poly Argo GAN Root CDXPHC IHT
Okay, 2 minutes to the bell here. These scans brought to you by Musclehead Trading. Good morning, traders. July 6, 2021 on a Tuesday. After Independence Day weekend. Hot stocks moving.
KHNRC
Got a few penny stocks, large caps, and a few mid caps. Looking good this morning.
THTX
Remember, your main goal is to protect your capital. Have a
VACQ
plan.
Ver Job KMVH
Based on your account size, make sure you have your shares you're willing to allocate into the market, whether you're going long or short.
H
Work your time frames. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute intervals.
ATMT CMT
Follow your plan, follow your risk management.
ACSTST
Don't try to make money, just try to get a good trade.
DYNT
Follow your plan.
CLXT
Be safe.
ALUS
Hope is not a strategy, but a solid plan is.
My wife.
NLTNK
Volume is weak.
BFI
Bell coming in. We got 1 minute.
Volume is weak on what?
30
RRF
seconds. Volume is weak on across all
Job.
assets.
FE.
OSAT look heavy on the selling side.
STKS
Reversal in
They're holding it.
HCRTHR
OSAT has a
DOS
reversal
CIVO
back to the long side on the 5
DOS
minute. Be careful.
SID GPRC DHT
There goes the bell.
QR CCI CXI HRT OSAT OSAT Lord
OSAT is warming up.
HCKT OSAT LBA
OSAT getting reversal.
GT NEWCXI MTEM SNES 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 CCXI SNES SNESCXI ALDCXI ALDX ALDXI GLNG Blin Blin
There goes OSAT now. There goes OSAT. You don't need that 925 for it to be valid.
GLIN and Blin.
CCXI
OSAT needs 925 to be valid.
OSAT got a lot of selling here at the 9. They just hit it down to the 50. That's a reversal. That's a full reversal on OSAT, OSAT reversal. Still holding though. That is CCXI going.
They beat it down more to the 30s.
CCXI
To the 20s. OSAT.
OSAT reversal.
CCXI
Short.
PFSW
Be careful here.
XELA
My read was down. My read was down to 8, then reversed back up.
PFSW
LIN short at the bell, hitting it.
PFSW
Hitting Blend.
CCXI
Here we go.
CCXI
OSAT.
ITRM CCRTRM ITRM CLVS
Okay, we got a reversal on OSAT a little bit.
CCXI
Minute reversal.
CCXI
Just need that break of 925.
CCXI VISL KVSB
I would cover my CCXI right now.
INUV
I would sell my CCXI right here.
INUV
14
KVSB
and from 1350 it had a big pop to 18 and then roll
INUV
AMC is back in again.
MRIN back to 25. 1350 it had a big pop to 18 and then roll.
INUV 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 INUV
Rolling. But you know how MRIN do. It'll come back on you.
Drib.
OSAT is
Those
back
are
up in the
definite profit
80s.
takers
Drib.
on
OSAT is headed for the
MRIN from
90s.
27 to 25.
Drib.
But it seems like that was
Drib.
short-lived.
SQB. SQBG.
Back up to 9. OSAT to 915 with a lot of power.
OSAT reversal, full squeeze.
Here we go.
UBX.
UBX.
OSAT.
I told you back
That means
down
long.
to 8,
Squeeze
then
means
a
long.
hard push. It pulled back to 8, then a hard push. It was in 9.
OSAT.
Yeah, after versus 925.10 looks good. 0 count. You're gonna be rich today.
Another squeeze.
OSAT.
Now the party started.
Full reversal on OSAT. OSAT froggy.
Looking for exit over 10. OSAT, we need some more power.
OSAT hitting the higher day momentum scanner.
Hitting it strong. Looks good.
Drib.
There's the
Back it off
950.
again.
Oh. HMY. SQBG.
SQBG waking up.
Drib.
BSRQ got hit. It's under 5 right now. Hope Justin is in that short. BSRQ got hit under 5. That's a profit-taking measure. Or you could wait for the drip. It went to 480, just like I said. BSRQ 480, just
SQBG.
like I said. SQBG 19. SQBG hot.
Drib. HMY. SQBG.
SQBG going into a halt.
VISL.
Not enough power. They're holding it. They're pulling it back.
Yeah, they're giving it time. They're giving it
There's
20.
a seller here now.
VISL.
SQBG selling a lot right here, but it's going into a halt. SQBG at $20.
Drib. SNES.
Halted.
Who?
SQBG. SQBG halted. Nice move.
VISL.
Okay, that's 5 minutes into the bell, and we got a lot of good action here. 5 minutes into the bell at 9:35. OSAT still holding at $9.10, 9.16. The spread is wide. You got 10 cent, 5 cent, 15 cent spreads. All right, sellers is coming out. That was a nice push to 950. 950 is the high.
Wish.
We had a reversal. Then we had another squeeze reversal in the first 5 minutes of OSAT. Very good hot action. Anybody could have made good 50-cent move or more on OSAT. Definitely a good trade. MRIN, BLIN, same thing. It had a dump at the bell, reversing right now, coming back up from the lows.
WBT.
Still holding at 9.
BLIN coming back up. WBT hitting the high day momentum scanners.
Still struggling by that 925. We need to break that 925 to have the party start again. There we go. We just broke it. 930.
VISL.
Back off.
VISL.
AMC is back hanging around.
VISL.
BSRQ.
VISL. CLS.
OSAT is back on the 9 again.
OSAT. Definitely trapped
CLST.
up. Definitely froggy. Looking for a power breakout in either direction.
PBISL.
Break this 8 or we're going to break this 950. Right now, the range is 850 to 950. We're trapped in a range of $9. And that's OSAT.
PBTS.
Looks like we're gonna get volume to the
PBTS.
upside.
Happened?
Looks like we're going to get volume to the upside if these shorts get patient.
BSQR.
BSQR, waking up. BSQR, dangerous short. If you
PBTS.
BSQR, get out.
Grin.
Wait for a new setup. Setup is
PBTS.
gone. Opportunity's gone on BSQR.
BSQR.
Reversal on the 5-minute. BSQR coming up.
CLST, SQR, CLST,
Roger that.
All set.
CLST,
Still holding the 9.
CLST,
OSAT holding a 9.
Backing it off now. It's challenging the VWAP.
MRIN holding its bounce at 24 up to 25. MRIN holding its bounce. Might swing around later.
BSQR,
BLIN just got hit back down off of its
BSQR,
In position in a BSQR monitoring right now.
Breaking the range. It came out of its pit from 520, 530. Now at 540. Resistance here. Looking to go longer. Looking for 550, 560 tests, like I said.
Entry. My entry is
Possible 580
526.
tests. Highest is $6. If it breaks 620, it is a new test.
PFSW,
OSAT rolling. It's going to visit that 8 again. I don't know how good it's going to do when it goes down to the 8.
OSAT going, breaking the 850, going lower. It needs to break the 8, and it'll break the range. This is a heavy hit. OSAT is a full rollover. Excuse me?
Option calls for a BSQR in a position.
Option call,
526.
BSQR. There you go, long. Option calls coming in 200% so far. BSQR.
This might be my lucky day.
Once they thin out, though, it's going to cut off.
VISL,
Another 5 minutes.
Grin,
OSAT rolling.
THCB,
A roll is at 8. A roll is at 8. 820, 810, break. OSAT.
PBTS, PBTS,
Bottom again.
MRIN got hit. It's rolling over. MRIN rolling over some more back to 24. 5-minute breakdown.
OSAT is down.
PBTS.
Here's our Q losing its momentum.
PBTS, VISL,
OSAT's going down more. It didn't break the 8 yet. It's at 804.
VISL,
Hitting it some more. 803.
OSAT, the low
PBTS, VISL, VISL,
Vessel.
penny pusher. BSQR back up to 550. Looking for another push right here. It's a big wall at 550. 60,000 shares. BSQR. 60,000 shares. Option calls coming to meet it. They're eating it. They're eating it.
BSQR,
Option calls coming in at 300%. Told you you had 4 minutes and counting.
BSQR,
560 on BSQR going up. A lot of volume coming out. You might want to take measures.
HIMX,
Not sure how long this got.
HIMX,
More option calls coming in strong.
BSQR,
70.
Option calls hard.
That's a good option. 570 from 520 is a good profit taking measure right here.
Thank you.
BSQR,
75 BSQR, more option calls. These might fill in the next 3 minutes. Volume is fast.
CLSQR,
Looking for the 80 break.
Dow
Calls
Jones
coming
is
in.
pulling back. The markets are pulling back a little bit.
Markets pulling back. Take measures. Everybody take profit.
CLST,
A little red there.
CLST,
See a lot of red coming across the boards.
CLST,
Okay, big seller came out on BSQR. It might be over. Just knocked it down from 70 to 50.
OSAT is struggling.
What's that? Holding the 820, looking for a break of the 8. Lower move, 50% on the day so far.
Still up.
BLIN holding 1290. Chopping around, 5-minute pickup on a reversal from 14 back down to 1280. Trying to claim 13, but it's looking weak.
CLSD.
Taking it down now.
Dow Jones is red,
CLSD.
S&PX is red, NAS is still green.
CLSD.
BLIN just went lower, 1260.
CLSD.
CLSD falling up.
Drib.
CLSD breakout.
CLSD.
LSD.
Fresh breakout. CLSD breakout. Fresh breakout.
Close.
CLSD.
Okay.
Floats 50 mil. Clear side biomedical. Breakout from 540 up to 6. Looks toppy. It's light volume. I would leave at this point. I know sellers going to come out. No sellers is out yet.
SNES. SNES. CTSO.
Should be a portfolio holder. Check your portfolio. Take measures.
DTSO. PFSW. CTSO. PFSW. PFSW.
Whoa.
PFSW.
Start looking like a short now. But I did call down to the 8, then the reverse.
OSAT about to break the 8. Bidder at 8.
CTSO. BSQR. SQBG. CTSO.
BSQR.
PFSW.
I would sell here. I would sell.
Everybody left OSAT for
PFSW.
MRIN making a lower move.
PFSW.
MRIN making a lower move.
PFSW. PFSW.
AMG is backing off.
PFSW looking strong. Woke up from 10 at the 11 right now. Squeezing. Low float, 14 mil. Gapping up 50% right now. Gapped up from 750 right now. Price action is wide, 26 to 45. Danger.
OXBR.
Not for novice traders. PFSW, not for novice traders. Software and programming, continuation from last week's software technology section from Allen, Texas. 2,000 employees. They have news that they're supposed to sell business to Marco for $250 million. CLSD breaking out some more.
CLSD.
Strong fresh breakout from 540 to 680. CLSD option calls. CLSD option calls making it break out.
KVSB. CLSD.
You can run this up to about $8.
Option calls coming up strong.
IPDN.
OSAT is not over.
CLSD.
Big wall at 7 here. CLSD option calls.
IPDN. CLSD.
They're grabbing it. It's going to fly.
8 looks good.
They're eating them.
8 looks good.
Somebody selling a lot of puts here. They went through 'em.
CLSD, CLSD, CLSD,
CLSD.
CLSD.
Broke 7.
Option calls coming in strong.
CLSD.
Next resistance 720. 7.
HUSA.
CLSD has been gapping up on the daily for a while now, from the lows of 2.
OXBR.
Market's hot.
OXBR.
Technology stocks and NASDAQ is hot.
OXBR.
NASDAQ is hot. Dow Jones and SPX is negative from last week's trend.
KVSBR.
BSQR is losing its momentum.
OXBR.
Take measures. MRIN making a lower move.
OSAT is challenging the VWAP again.
OSAT back up, trapped up. 840.
OXBR.
I don't know what it's doing here. I don't know if it's trapping the shorts or it's trapping the longs, because it's still inside of that zone.
CLSD looking like it's ready to make another move. It's holding its gap. Option calls are going crazy.
Oh, it's a bounce off of the 8.
And the volatility.
It bounced off of the 8.
INUV.
CLSD looking to make another move. Holding.
INUV.
BSQR back down to 5.
INUV.
Out of gas. At least for now.
Broke the VWAP. OSAT.
OSAT coming back up.
INUV.
CLSD.
KVSB. OXBR.
CLSD is moving nice. The OSAT has a lot more volume.
KVSB. OXBR. GT.
OSAT is going to break somebody's heart today. Hope it's not mine.
Don't be that guy.
You want to be that guy?
Don't be that guy. GTE coming up.
SQBG.
SQBG 25.
SQBG.
Back open. And flying. SQBG. Flying. SQBG hot.
Wow.
Flying back down now. SQBG got knocked from 27.50 back down to 26.25.
KVSB.
SQBG still froggy. Sellers coming out.
CLSD is rolling back a little bit. It's only 20 cents from the top. No, I mean,
KVSB.
NASDAQ is going. OSAT backing off. Price action is wide. MIN at 23.70. Reversal. BLIN at 13. High 14.38. Low 12. BSQR breaking down.
You need OSAT to break 9. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you. Sorry. OSAT has to break 911 to become valid again.
OSAT chopping around the 40. 840, 850. SQBG going, pushing 28. Seller came out, knocked it to 27. SQBG, volatile. Looks like a Ross play. SQBG looking to break 28. Sellers is coming out. They're challenging it back to 26, 27. SQBG, 2 halts up, gap up, serious. Danger. Could definitely change your life on this one. Either for life or death. SQBG back to 24. They hit it. 5-minute reversal in effect. Nope. Turn that around. That's gone. SQBG is
CTSO. CTSO.
15-minute is still strong. Waiting for the break of 24. Other than that, we going along to 28.
Is that float correct on OSAT?
Who knows?
I don't
Check
think so.
Webull. Best information is in Webull. Let's see. OSAT.
800,000 doesn't seem to be correct to me.
OSAT's float in Webull technically is, whoa. Outstanding is 1.24 mil, and the free float is 828,000 shares. 828,000 shares. That is correct.
It's not trading like it.
Danger. SQBG.
Oh, here we go. Now we're trading like it. We're back up to 880. We're back into play.
OSAT is coming back up.
OSAT is back into play now.
Husa.
There we go. 899.
Wow.
There we go. I called it back down to 8 and then the blast off. Here we go.
OSAT has a full reversal squeezing.
Here we go. 9. We need some more though.
All right, over 950. Here we go.
Woo. What a
We
slap.
wrap 870, 860. OSAT.
VN.
Exhausted.
VN.
We need some option calls on OSAT to get this shit to blast off correctly. Here we go. Back up to 920 and back off to 9.
BHTG.
Watching it. Crowd goes quiet. It's up to 830, 840.
OSAT.
4. Picking up speed now. Let's go.
OSAT.
Going into a halt. 966.
Nope,
Nope, they're backing it off.
They
They want
back
to go
off.
higher.
Now we got a top and tail there. Watch out for it. We're going for it again. We need to break this 966 or we're going to have a problem here. Houston, we're going to have a problem if we don't break this 966 at this pop here. You got to break it.
Squeeze over 10 right here. There's a
Break
wall
it.
here at 966.
966. We got to be able to break it here.
Price action looks froggy. Trapped up.
It's picking up volume. They're pushing it in.
BSRQ back up to 560. Protect
Here
your
we
neck.
go. Another test for 966. You're going to test 966 right here now again.
OSAT. OSAT. Pushing.
Here we go.
OSAT.
976. High now.
Dr.
Put it
Juice
back.
Brown loves
KVSB. BHTG.
I think it took too much juice to break that 966. It's gonna back down some. It took too much power to break the 966. It's gonna back off a little
That is
bit
correct.
and then go for it again. Possibly go for it again. It might be weak now. Okay, they're going back for it again. Is it? A lot of sellers up there.
KVSB.
Shorted it again. They're hitting the shorts. Is hitting it hard. Do you ever trade zero?
No.
Shit. I just wanted to see the force.
Pola.
Justin,
Polar energy play from
OSAT.
last year.
OSAT shorts.
Pola.
Justin, what's the price of OSAT shorts?
Price on OSAC. Let's see.
VCN. Pola.
934.
Okay.
MXC.
What's the price of the short?
Pola.
Oh,
Pola.
shit.
MX,
Oh, I
MX,
can't do
Okay,
Pola.
that's the price of the stock.
Oh, the price of the stock?
Price of the shorts. I just want to see how much shorts, how.
Oh, I can't do that.
BSQR hitting 580.
Monitoring it.
Pola. NVCN. Pola.
OSAT still looks good on the 15. It's holding. It got a little top and tail, but it's holding. It's holding.
Husa.
SQBG halted down.
Here we
Hit
go.
it,
Here goes a new
mollywop.
breakout again. Can't do it yet. It's trying. Here we
SQBG
go.
mollywop
Glob.
halted down.
We go for 988 on the next break. They pulled it back.
BSQR 570. Froggy.
NVCN.
Real heavy.
CLIN 1268 from the high of 1438. Definitely hard reversal on the 15 and the 5.
Glob.
Been running hot for a week. It's got to cool off.
Glob.
POLA pushing. Waking up on a trend. Looking good. OSAT.
Backing off again.
BSQR's looking sus.
BSQR.
Move. Over the 6.
Over the 6, yeah.
CTXR.
A big wall at 6. It would be wise to go and get ahead of it. 80
KVSB.
Unless
Really?
they go for that, they
Ooh.
could.
BSQR.
Wall at 590.
BSQR.
6 almost got attacked. Only 599 got hit. There's 81,000 shares at the 6. Option call still coming in on BSQR.
CTXR.
All right, we at 10 o'clock, boys. We at 10 o'clock. We're looking at a momentum shift for the market. We're looking at a shift for the market. 10 o'clock. Be wise. Market shifts at 10 o'clock. Sellers come out. Large orders start coming out or coming up. Monitor your positions. Large orders usually reverse. 10
CTXR.
o'clock. OSAT back to 9.
IPDN.
BSQR from that push just reversed on the 5. Like clockwork, boys and girls. Like clockwork.
HIHO.
HIHO was gapping up slowly.
CTXR. KVSB.
CLSD reversal.
HIHO.
Back to 680. Ooh, 660. They hit it. They hit it. CLSD got hit. 660.
IPDN.
Full reversal from 540 from 720 back to
KVSB.
660. Full reversal on CLSD. 50 mil shares. Clearside Biomedical looking like it's getting hit for some action. Profit takers. At 10 o'clock. As
IPDN.
usual, just like clockwork. OSAT looking for a full reversal for the non-break,
IPDN.
or it could be trapped up.
CTXR.
Option calls on ALEC. ALEC from last week.
ALEC.
Trending higher, moving up a little higher.
ATOS.
Atos, okay.
ATOS gapping up 12%. Had a huge move at the bell. $5.50, $6 now. ATOS. Large float. ATOS.
IPDN.
Penny pusher. IPDN. ATOS breaking above
ATOS.
200.
FAS.
Above the 200 at 550. That's a long.
KVSB.
It broke above and made the 40-cent move. 60, 70, 80, $96. So now we had a
OSAT.
OSAT. Reversal. OSAT squeezing. OSAT making reversals in the 5 constantly. It's a struggle. OSAT, tug of war, micro flow,
OSAT.
disrespectful. ATO's running out of gas. SQBG making lower moves.
Glob.
SQBG spread is wide. Lower moves, SQBG, days over. BLIN making lower moves. Hit the 12, bouncing off the 1250. MRIN, reversal from the lower 22. OSAT getting hit.
ALEC.
Back to the 9. From the 950, squeeze, the 970 squeeze. 983 squeeze, pardon. Went to 983 in 30 seconds. Back down to 9.
Glob.
OSAT exhausted. There's a bidder at 9 on OSAT. OSAT, bidder at 9, holding it up. Trapping shorts.
Glob. CTXR.
All right, I think that concludes my time. Everybody who's in this chat, just pay attention to the scans if you're going to continue to trade. I'm going to get off and pull up. Dow Jones Industrial is going lower. S&PX is making a lower move. NAS is still holding up pretty good. Green on the day. Making higher moves. All right, software and technology stocks are going higher, folks, traders. And anything, put it in the chat, type it up so we can review it later. We will be broadcasting later a full review on Zoom, full stock review of last week's plays. If anybody wants the PDF, raise your hand. If you want the PDF, I have a PDF. It's a little raggedy type up of the tickers that we went over. We're going to be going over from the previous week. And that way you can be prepared. If you want that, you can look at those tickers. I have that typed up on the PDF. ATOS holding 6.
Glob.
Backing off from 614.
Glob.
ALEC 37 option calls long. SQBG back to 21. Froggy in the pre-market and at the bell and now rolling over. CLSD reversal from 720 back down to 680 from a pop long at 535. Okay, OSAT chopping around anywhere from 8 to 950. High was 983 on OSAT. Right now, the current price trading in range is anywhere from 9 to 950. Trading right now at 920, 930. BSQR
CTXR
577 topped out and went to 599. There's a big seller there. It might squeeze and go back above if option calls keep coming back in. That is BSQR. But right now it's trapped up. Had a couple of moves and we're losing the momentum that we had at the bell. I would take measures.
CTXR.
BLIN definitely
CTXR.
momentum.
CTXR.
All the way from $9, $10 all the way up to 14, 38.
IPDN.
Right now back down to 1240, chopping around.
CTXR.
Lower move to break 12 and possibly down to 11. And that is BLIN. But this is a daily breakout. It's daily breaking out from its range of 2, 4, 6, 8. And now we're at 14, but we had 12 today. So I'm long biased
CTXR.
on BLIN,
CTXR.
Bridgeline Digital. Making a long call right now. Long call. BLIN. Long call. Term. 3-5 years. PDF, please. Can I get the PDF? Sure thing. Not a problem. Coming right away. This PDF will be covering about do's and don'ts later on today. Here it is coming in the Musclehead chat. There's
ALEC.
the PDF. Enjoy. Please forgive me in the penmanship. It's a little sloppy, but we will have links in that PDF and go over that stock review later. And possibly update that review and then shoot that PDF back out.
ELTK.
All right, I think that's my time. OSAT coming back up. OSAT squeezing wild. OSAT, OSAT going crazy. OSAT.
CTXR.
Back in the air chair.
Big seller coming up at 975. OSAT,
DTST,
crazy.
OSAT, yeah, it has a water 975. It's going up. I'm reading this.
DTXR,
Okay, we're looking for OSAT to break
DTST.
10. This is a full
OSAT is
trap.
pushing up. It's the
Sell it
988.
right here.
At 15,977.
DTXR,
Going back down.
Wow, they are playing with OSAT.
OSAT has a lot of power.
They playing game. They playing
After
that
step
game.
out, I'll be back around 11 o'clock. No, lying. Back around 12 o'clock.
CTXR,
gotta go?
CTXR,
Yeah, I gotta see the.
CTXR, penny pusher.
CTXR,
But I'll be back. I gotta step out and come back. Tonight, 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Whoever's here will be there. Whoever's not here, that's your loss.
QUMU,
6 p.m. tonight.
QUMU,
Make a commercial, Ali, if you got a chance. Video.
What commercial?
CTXR,
6 p.m. Zoom.
QUMU,
Make a
And
commercial?
QUMU,
if you want to.
QUMU, QUMU,
Justin is commercials.
All right.
I can make a little video and see if we can
QUMU.
put something together, I guess. OSAT trapping. BSQR 580 testing. Looking for the 6 test. 599 was the test. 580 I would sell. Sticking around at this point, we don't know what direction things might go, but definitely technology is strong and holding. Square coming up strong.
QUMU.
Square, SQ. Square going crazy from 241 up to 248 Square. That is Square cash, my friend.
That's cute.
Long-term bias on Square.
Yeah, I got that.
SQ.
There we go. GSAT, OSAT is about to break out again. I got to go. I got SQ for long.
ATOS back up to 624. 625 was the high. ATOS holding, breaking the range at higher day.
IPDN,
Curve stop.
IPDN.
DTST,
Oh my goodness. I ripped apart my office at my house, so I don't know how I'm gonna do the Zoom tonight.
Don't be that guy.
Huh?
Don't be that guy.
Alec,
ATOS topping out at 630. OSAT looking to go higher.
I had an auto sale at 988, but it looks too easy.
If it breaks 975, OSAT, we could be looking for this thing to fly up to $12. Who knows?
I got an auto sale at 11 and 10.
Understood.
I'm gonna leave a few shares to see where the party goes. But I got my first sale set for 10. Take profit. at 10.
DLIN looks weak. It's holding this 1240, but it's looking weak, chopping around.
I gotta take a
15
walk.
minute is out for a full breakdown. We'll see. Even though it's been trending long term, could be a buy zone. It's definitely bouncing off the 12 a lot.
Thought I was gonna see.
RIN
Yeah.
definitely bouncing off the 24.
Here we go. Here's the breakout on OSAT. OSAT is back up to 70. Oh, it needs to break
Back
75.
over 75.
Sorry.
Here we go.
Gotta go over 75. It's battling with it.
Over 75. There's
Hits
the wall
it.
at 75.
Hits it. Oh, it went through it very easily. I don't know if they took it or did they take it or they just pulled the order.
It's a good question. You see it, right?
Alec,
It went too fast. I didn't get to see if they pulled the order.
I seen it. It looked like, I don't know what the tape said, but it definitely went over 75.
Right. So
There's somebody selling at 70. Somebody's coming down here, but these guys are meeting it. Okay, ALEC going higher, 38, 38. ALEC. Did I put that out earlier?
CBLI, BHTG, CBLI, ATOS.
ATOS, 631. Broke the range, 634, 635 high. ATOS moving more aggressive.
ALEC.
BSRQ moving aggressive coming up. BLN going back up. BLIN going back up. ATOS pushing 640. And BSRQ looking to break 6. 80,000 shares. BSQR. Big wall and 595. Here we go.
CBLI.
BSQR. 599. A lot of shares going through here. A lot of option calls, but
I got to get out of here. So
all right, have a good one.
all right, keep on. Give me a call if that OSAT goes crazy up or if it goes crazy down.
Copy that.
If it breaks the 8 going down, call me. If it breaks the
Set your loss.
10, yeah, all right. I want to see it. I want to see how it breaks it though. I don't want to just get it. I want to see how it does it. If it breaks it.
All right, we got one more minute to
GBR.
10:15. One more minute to 10:15. Here we go.
All right, I'm out.
CBLI.
C-Bally, former runner, CBLI. CBLI running.
CBLI. CBLI.
Former runner, CBLI. Topping 7, running from 6. Dangerous. But is a former runner and his option calls coming in for CBLI. ALEC option calls moving it higher.
BHTG. 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 TLC. BHTG. BSQR.
BSQR hit the 6. 8 some of the wall. All right, family. Anybody else? Anything else? Please put it in the chat. I'm going to back off. I'm going to sign off. Guys, it's been great. I just recorded this Zoom. The Zoom will be uploaded later to YouTube for the pre-market and first 30 minutes bell review. All right, family. It's been great. Peace out.